Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send money internationally with Wise in 2025. And it's a full guide. First, you have to sign up on their Wise website or mobile app by providing email, address, and password. Complete your identity verification. It is usually by uploading a government ID like passport or national ID, and sometimes they require proof of address. So verifications typically takes minutes to a few days depending on a document's clarity and your country. Next, tap Send from dashboard. Select the sending and receiving currencies. Enter either the amount you want to send, so the fee adds on top, or you can also do that the amount you want the recipient to receive. So in that case, Wise calculate how much you need to pay. Third, choose an existing recipient or add a new one. Input their bank details like name, account number, IBAN, SWIFT/PIC, or sometimes their address. You can also send via WiseTech, email, or phone if the recipient has Wise. Wise usually offer three options, each with different speed and fees. Bank transfer, the cheapest but the slower. It can take 1 to 3 business days. Debit card, credit card, or Apple Pay or Google Pay. Faster, minutes to hour, but slightly higher fees. Faster or instant transfer, available for some corridor. Wise report that 95% of transfer complete within 24 hours and 64 are instant, which is under 20 seconds for supported routes in Wise. Fifth, check all your details, amount, fee, exchange rate, and recipient info as well. Confirm your transfer. So you will receive an email or app confirmation, and you can see it under transaction. 6. Monitor status in app or via email. Wise provide a live update from sending to deliver, so you know exactly where your money is. Speed and limit. In supported corridors, upwards of 64 of transfers are under 20 seconds and 94 complete within 24 Wise. And then transfer limit, typically up to $1 million per sections by transactions to over 160 country Wise. Wise use mid-market exchange rate with transparent fixed and variable fees, so no hidden margin. Use Wise online fee calculator to estimate beforehand. So some of the best practice and tips are: use bank transfer payment for lower fees if delivery time isn't critical. Choose fast or instant payment options when time sensitive. Keep important documents ready for identity or large transfer. Double check the recipient bank details. They cannot be changed once sent. Track transfer status and inform the recipient. That's for it. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.